Hello. Today, we are going to describe this picture of a happy family having dinner together. In this picture, I can see a family of 4. They are in their dining room. It is nighttime because I can see the moon and the stars through the window. There are 4 people, a mother, a father, a daughter, and a son. They are all very happy and they are smiling. The mother has dark curly hair. She is wearing a red and white striped shirt. The father has a brown beard. He is wearing a blue and white striped shirt. The daughter has 2 braids. She is wearing a blue shirt. The son is sitting next to the window. He is wearing a blue shirt too. The family is eating a delicious dinner at a round wooden table. There is spaghetti with meatballs and broccoli on their plates. In the middle of the table, there is a big bowl of salad. There is a loaf of bread on a wooden board. They are drinking orange juice. The room is very colorful. The table has a blue and white checkered tablecloth. On the left, there is a tall bookshelf with many books. On the right, there is a blue toy monster on a brown dresser. Under the table, there is a large rug with many colorful circles, orange, yellow, and red. It is a lovely evening. The family is enjoying their meal together. Thank you for practicing your English with me today.